Now I will show you how to give a Google Ads account access. For this, first of all, you need to log in your Google Ads account. Already I have logged in my Google Ads account. So now go to the admin option, then click on the access and security, then click on the plus button. Now put your Gmail address, which Gmail address you give the account access. That's mail. This is my email. Now, if you want, here you can select the account access expired date for your account, but it is not mandatory. It is optional. If you want, then you can do that. No problem. Now select which level give the access if you want. Uh, Usually, an advertisement person need to a standard level access. But if you want to give the admin access, so then you can do it, no problem. So now I will send a standard access. So click on the standard, then click on invitation. We are showing pending invitation. That's when your account access request send in properly. That's all the process.